Wel, mae'n gêm fawr, mae'n ail rownd ragbrofol Cwpan Cymru, a dyn ni digwydd bod wedi cael tynnu gytre chwarae yn erbyn Cymdogion, Annwyl, a ni'n ffrindiau mawr nhw'n gyd Borth, sydd rhyw 2 milltir lawr yr hewl.
Yn gêm bwysig iddo ni fel clwb, achos mae lot o'r chwaraewyr sydd gyda Borth nawr wedi chwarae dda ni dros y blynydde, wedi symud lan achos bod nhw eisiau ar y safon uwch, ond falle ddim yn barod i sefyll anddo ni, so os troiwn nhw hwnna ar ei phen ac hiro ni heddi, mae'n gwneud i'n fi edrych fel bod fi wedi gwneud y camgymeriadau efo'r chwaraewyr.
It's always exciting when we play Bow Street. Obviously they're a league above us, so a little bit more pressure on them, I think, to beat a lower league team. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Maen nhw'n y gyngrau'r ail adran y gyngrau'r canolbarth, a ni'n yr adran gyntaf. Ar papur byddwch chi'n ddod bod y tîm adran gyntaf nid, ond darbi yw i. Cym Cwpan a darbi, so lle mae'n dechrau, mae doi dîm cyslo cyfle i gilydd, dwi'n meddwl yn dechrau off.
What was your reaction when you discovered who your opponents were to be this afternoon?
Oh, thrilled. Absolutely ecstatic about it. Always look forward to playing Bow Street. We've shared a lot of players in the past, and we continue to share players, meaning one season they're with us, one season's with them, and it's always a really close fought battle.
Ni'n arfer gweud oes, mae'r hen nigl rhwng Bow Street a Borth wedi bod brain, ni'n galw nhw a nhw'n galw ni piod yna, piod ar brain wedi bod ymhell, mae'n debyg, cyn dechrau pêl-droed, o'na rhywbeth rhwng y pentre mae'r ddau, oedd hyd yn oed bobl pwysig yn cwmpo mas fel y gweinidog yn Bow Street yn hyn, ac un o bechgyn y Borth yn gyddfe gilydd llawer dydd. A hyd yn oed y ffeiriad y Borth wedyn, oedd hwnnw'n dweud y drefen yn aml iawn, a referees yn cael amser caled ofnadw, oedd y naill yn cael ei bygwth fynd i'r afon yn Bow Street neu i'r môr yn Borth.
It's proper football, see? You know, you can come to football, you can have a drink, have a smoke, just relax and watch the game like.
Borth were going for a long time and then we had a break for 10 years. So this has been up and running since 2009, so there was quite a lot of impetus with the club over the last 10 years, sort of thing.
Dilwyn, beth sy'n dod â chi i Bow Street ar bnawn dydd Sadwrn braf fel hyn?
Wel, mae'n dipyn o job, achos mae Aberystwyth yn chwarae Bari lawr lôn, wrth gwrs, ond mae'r mab Owen yn chwarae i Bow Street. Felly dyma'r gêm bwysicau pnawn yma.
A beth yw'r ymateb hyd yn hyn?
Wel, mae'n gêm agos iawn pan oedd Bow Street sgorio gol gynnar. O'n i'n hanner disgwyl bydda'r llif ddorau'n agor, ond mae Borth di chwarae'n arbennig o dda.
Brilliant performers, I think. I think we thoroughly deserved the second half as well, to be honest. I think we were the better team. Just buzzing, absolutely buzzing.
Cwpan oedden ni wedi gobeithio mynd mlaen yno, wnaethon nhw sefyll yn y gêm a Cymru nhw'n chance.
We've all played for Bow Street before, so for 3 of us to come back, and a few more that played for Bow Street as well, come back and do it, and feels good.
And now to go through to round 1 proper of the Welsh Cup. It's the first time the club's ever done it. So it's an achievement that we've never done before. So, and to beat the neighbours is even more pleasing, isn't it? So.